Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an artifact in Claude AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure the artifacts feature is enabled. Open Claude AI and sign into your account. Then, click your profile icon and go to Settings or Feature Preview. Here, go to Capabilities section and then find the Artifacts option and turn it on. If you don't see it, refresh the app or update your browser and check again. Once artifacts are enabled, you can open the Artifacts section from the sidebar if you want to manage your projects more easily, although this step is optional. Once you are on the Artifacts page, simply click on the Create Artifact button, and it will take you to the Setup page. Here, you'll be asked what type of artifact you want to create. You'll see several options available, including games, apps, websites, or even the option to start completely from scratch. For example, if you choose apps and websites, the platform will begin asking you a few questions about the type of artifact you want to build. At this stage, you just need to provide a clear and detailed prompt explaining your idea, preferences, and what kind of result you want. After entering your prompt, it may continue asking additional questions related to the design, layout, features, style, and other elements you want included in your artifact. Simply answer each question according to your preferences so the system can better understand what you are trying to create. Once all the details are completed, it will finally ask for your permission to generate the artifact. Go ahead and confirm it, and the creation process will begin automatically. You may need to wait a few moments while everything is being generated. After the process is complete, you'll see that the platform has created a professional and visually appealing artifact based entirely on the instructions and preferences you provided. And that's it! So that's basically how you can create an artifact in Claude AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.